Hello everyone. We see the moon every day in the night, but have you wondered what are the interesting facts about it? The Earth's moon is an astronomical body that orbits the planet and acts as its only permanent natural satellite. If Earth were the size of a basketball, the moon would be the size of a tennis ball. The moon was discovered in 1610. It is at a distance of 384,400 kilometers from the Earth. It is Earth's nearest cosmic neighbor but is more than just a big pretty light in the sky. Here are 12 most amazing facts about the moon. 1. The moon is drifting away from the Earth. The moon is moving approximately 3.8 centimeters away from the Earth every year. It is estimated that it will continue to do so for around 50 billion years. 2. The moon has no atmosphere. The moon doesn't have an atmosphere like Earth does. Our atmosphere on Earth helps to keep temperatures regular, protects us from meteorites and solar winds, and causes our sky to look blue in the daytime. The moon doesn't have this kind of atmosphere and is more like a vacuum. This means that the moon is unprotected from cosmic rays, meteorites, and solar winds, and has huge temperature variations. The lack of atmosphere means no sound can be heard on the moon, and the sky always appears black. 3. The dark spots on the moon are called Maria. Maria is Latin word for seas, since ancient astronomers believed the dark areas were bodies of water on the moon. But these spots were actually once pools of lava that solidified to form basalt, a dark-colored salt. Its surface is home to mountains, huge craters, and these Maria flat plains are made of hardened lava. These can be seen with the naked eye from the Earth. 4. The moon was made when a rock smashed into Earth. It is a theory that the moon was made when a rock the size of Mars, named Theia, crashed into the Earth, shortly after the solar system began forming about 4.5 billion years ago. The debris from the collision clumped together to make what is now our moon. 5. The moon is shaped like a lemon. Even though the moon always looks perfectly round in the night sky, but it's actually more of an oval shape. It is believed that gravitational forces from Earth have helped to exaggerate the moon's oblong appearance over centuries. 6. The moon has quakes too, called as moonquakes. Just like the Earth, the moon has a crust that shifts and changes. Moonquakes can occur when the lunar crust warms and expands, or they can be triggered by meteorite impacts. Unlike quakes on Earth that last only a few minutes at most, moonquakes can last up to half an hour because the moon has no water to combat seismic vibrations. Although, they are much weaker than earthquakes. 7. Enormous temperature range on the moon that varies from super hot to super cold. The moon rotates on its axis, making a full turn every 27 Earth days. So, daytime on one side of the moon lasts about 13.5 Earth days, followed by an equal amount of nighttime. When the sun hits its surface, the temperature can reach 240 degrees Fahrenheit, and when it's dark, the temperature can drop to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. 8. There is water on the moon. This is in the form of ice trapped within dust and minerals on and under the surface. It has been detected on areas of the lunar surface that are in permanent shadow and are therefore very cold, enabling the ice to survive. The water on the moon was likely delivered to the surface by comets. 9. The moon has gravitational force too. But the moon's gravity is weaker, only 1/6 of the Earth's gravity, in fact. That means you'd weigh much less if you were to stand on the moon. 10. There are fresh footprints on the moon's surface. Man hasn't set foot on the moon in more than 4 decades, and yet, fresh prints remain. They're leftover astronaut footprints. Because there's no wind or water on the moon, tracks can last millions of years. 11. The entire surface area of the Moon could fit in the continent of Asia. The entire surface area of the Moon is actually less than the area of the continent of Asia. The surface area of the Moon is 37.9 million square kilometers, and the surface area of Asia is 44.4 million square kilometers. If you took a measuring tape and put it around the circumference, or the middle, of the Earth, it would measure 40,030 kilometers, but it would only go 10,916 kilometers around the Moon's circumference. 12. No astronaut has walked on the surface of the Moon since 1972. The last person to walk on the Moon was an American, Gene Cernan, in 1972 on the National Aeronautics and Space Administration's NASA Apollo 17 mission. Since then, the only missions to the Moon have been done with remote-controlled, robotic vehicles. I hope you liked today's video. Please subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos, and please let us know your thoughts by leaving a comment below.